Let's go with some velveted beef and broccoli. On my Phoenix with the wok, turned out pretty good. See, the vote was at the end. I didn't know what skirt steak was, so I took a gamble. Trimmed it up over 2 pounds. Using some recipes I got online, I think it said a tablespoon of baking soda per pound and quite a bit of cornstarch. So we'll give this a try and see what happens. I've never tried velveting before, heard good things, so we'll see what happens. Some people rinse, some people don't, so we'll vote at the end, see what we thought. Good old chicken broth. Good for barbecue and Chinese. Oyster sauce doesn't have oysters in it, thank God, because they're nasty. But he said oyster sauce is also pretty good for velveting. Got some garlic. We'll see. It was up in my top shelf in my fridge, so it was frozen, so I had to break it up a little bit. Plus, it might have been a little old, so we'll see. Had a definite smell to it, so we'll see what's happening. Give it a little tossy toss, mixy mix, as old school Kev would say. I'll sped it up for you so you didn't have to hear all this moist slopping of the meat. But get it good and mixed. Some dark soy, a little bit of regular soy coming up. Slosh and slosh. Let's try some chicken bouillon. Secret ingredient. And I did some cracked pepper. I didn't get that on film. I need to get a better stand. But it's pretty good and coated. Not bad. Good mix. So they said you could refrigerate it for 30 minutes to a couple hours. I just did around 30, I think.
A few moments later.
Definitely blossomed or velveted up or whatever bloomed. You could tell a difference. You could definitely tell the difference when you cooked it. So that was interesting. Pre-cook the broccoli kind of halfway. Get it going. Wasn't in there for too long. Dumped it out. Tried filming that, but it steamed up my phone. So get it good and dry. Let it cool a little bit. Had my little shelf ready. It's my lifetime table next to my stainless steel table there on my Phoenix. Got my wok ring. My 25 jet burner ready to go. And we've got fire. Thing is freaking awesome. I think that's low heat. Put on my Oxenforge wok. Imported from China. Got some oil on it, heating that up. Getting it good to go. I can't film and cook with 2 hands, so we'll crank this bad boy up, get her going. Want to get some good contact, let that stuff sit. I'm shocked at how thick the pieces got with the baking soda and cornstarch. So you gotta move those around, get them on contact, and cook them a little more than halfway. my water, my oil, canola oil, and regular soy to add in as it starts to thicken. And yes, I need a taller tripod to film these cooks, so that's a work in progress. I think I'll be getting one here shortly. Let's take a peek. Dumped in my broccoli, good color there. Mixy mix. Here it is at the end. I'm about to pull it off. Might have cooked the broccoli a little too much. Guess more al dente would have been better. I used chicken broth or chicken stock. Yeah, chicken broth in the rice. That was good. I would definitely do that again. That was a big success. So instead of water after I washed it with water and then final put it in with chicken broth. That was good. Dumped it in our bowl, brought it inside, plated it up. Looks pretty good. Unfortunately, it was an epic fail. I don't know if it was a velveting or the skirt steak, but that went in the trash. It was nasty. Would not do it again. So we learned from that. We don't make mistakes. We make happy accidents. Thanks for the music. And we'll see you on the next cook.